would like to wish good luck to all those who are participating in today's races. Design, strategy, and research brings brand innovation and great design to help you build stronger connections with your customers and more profitable
There might be
business.
3 tomorrow, and I don't know if it's exactly. It depends on how race is set up. Usually 2 on Saturday.
Well, you say you're racing boat number 2.
Uh-huh.
That boat number 2 there. You want to sort of
Get that guy on. No.
Oh, I had the dragon looking good.
Very close. No, but the boats.
Nice low rate, nice.
Within these, the boats should be pretty safe.
Very low rate, excellent.
If they were too different, then it wouldn't be fair.
Excellent, excellent. Giving Anniemaniacs a run for their money.
You like a word.
Yep.
Keep that. I like the looks of that.
That boat number 3 is the Anniemaniacs report. You can see how their paddles are all going in and out at the same time. And you watch the other one? Yeah. And you watch some of these other boats, they're doing what they call, like boat 2 is caterpillaring, where the back goes in before the front.
They really catapult
You don't want that. Sometimes it works, and they seem to be. It's just slightly at a time. Now, they seem to be doing fine, so maybe you can make it work. I've seen teams win with really fast strokes and really slow strokes, so that's not always being all together.
So the way these pumps work,
That is a great finish, great job.
Generally, it's placement unless there's a tie. Generally, each race.
Push. Go.
Fun.
That was a good one.
Good race.
They pulled right up.
Well, I think a fraction of a second behind.